to indicate movement toward the interior of something. Go into, walk into, dive into, run into. She walked into the room quietly. He dove into the pool with a perfect dive. To express transformation or change of state, turn into, change into, develop into, grow into. The caterpillar turned into a butterfly. She hopes to develop into a skilled artist. To show interest or involvement, be into, get into, dive into, look into. She's really into photography these days. I need to look into this issue further before making a decision. To represent division or partition. Split into, divide into, break into, organize into. The project was divided into 3 phases. They broke into smaller groups to discuss the problem. To express impact or contact, crash into, bump into, run into, slam into. The car crashed into the wall during the race. I accidentally bumped into my old friend at the mall. To indicate exploration or investigation, look into, dig into, inquire into, probe into. The police are looking into the matter. He decided to dig into his family history. To show inclusion or assimilation, incorporate into, integrate into, absorb into, fit into hashtag. We need to incorporate this feature into the design. She quickly fit into her new workplace. To express transition or entry into a condition, fall into, go into, slip into, enter into. He fell into a deep sleep after the long journey. The company has decided to enter into a partnership. Common collocations with into. Get into trouble, turn into reality, move into place, go into detail. He often gets into trouble for being late. Her dream finally turned into reality. The pieces moved into place perfectly during the assembly. Can you go into detail about your proposal?